Hi, Logan here for VacBin.com, and today we're going to be doing a review and test of the Hoover Floormate Deluxe Hard Floor Cleaner. This machine is designed to be a deep cleaner for hard floors, either wood, tile, laminate, or other types of hard flooring. And it will scrub, wash, dry, it does everything automatically for your floors. So I could easily show you how it works on a clean floor like mine, where I've been testing it for a few days. Or I can show you a hard scenario where we're going to make a little bit of a mess and see how well this thing cleans it up. So I think that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to pull this off to the side and show you the floor is pretty clean ahead of time. But not to be a problem, we have some sriracha here. Yeah, there we go. A little bit of a mess on this tile. Some Hershey's chocolate syrup here, which are going to make a mess on this tile. Ew, that is nice and stringy. And just to cap it off here, let's make sure, yep, you can see both those. For good measure, I was having a can of Coca-Cola before I shot this. So why don't I, oh dear, I spilled all over the floor. Well, let's see how hard it is for the Floormate to pick this all up. We have some Floormate solution on the side of the canister here, and we are just going to use the machine in wash mode and see what it can do with, let's say 2 passes back and forth on this tile set, and then we'll clean up the periphery because it looks like the Coke is spilling. And there we go. That was extremely fast, as you saw, and the first pass it completely picked up everything, including the chocolate syrup, which really surprised me because I wasn't sure how fast it would take it for that. So 3 passes, 1 for the main, then 2 for the, or 1 each for the peripheries. And this is completely clean. It dries almost instantly on the back passes. The forward passes it leaves things wet, and then the back passes it dries them. And as you can see on the machine, there is the dirty tank on this side where we have all that sludge that we picked up, and the clean tank on this side with our water and solution. Hoover makes a hard floor solution designed for cleaning up, but and that's what I'm using in the machine to get these results. You can use straight water if you would like, but I am using the Hoover hard floor solution to get these results. And now I'm sure some of you are asking, well, how hard is it to clean the brushes and the suction now that you just, put chocolate syrup in there? So let's take a look. We just tilt the machine back, and we hit the brush release button. The brushes pop right out, and as you can see, they're actually not dirty at all. But all we got to do is we just got to take these over to the sink, rinse them out, and they will be good as new. These are the hard floor tile and grout brushes. A set of sealed wood floor brushes, which are much softer, ship with the machine as well. You get both of them in the box. So no matter what type of floor you're cleaning, you can have the correct level of scrubbing for that floor. Let me just rinse off my hands, now that they're a little sticky. But yes, so that was just a quick demo of this machine, and now let's talk about my experiences with it so far. Let me make sure that this is in view. Yep, there we go. So I've been using this machine for a few days, and I have to say I'm extremely impressed on how well it cleans and how little formula and water it uses to get the results that it does. It is fantastic, especially for the price point. This machine is the Deluxe, so it has larger tanks, and this machine goes for around $160 at time of recording. But it is truly a fantastic machine. I would say that it is a great addition to any household. It has a trigger for dispensing solution. It also has a clean boost button, which if you push that down, it'll dispense more solution than regular to break down those tough messes like you saw with the chocolate syrup. I was using clean boost to get a lot of solution and water down onto the floor to break up the chocolate syrup and get it all up into the dirty water tank. Overall, I'd highly recommend this machine. This is a fantastic addition to any home with hard floors, and at the price of $160, and I'm sure you can find this on sale occasionally, I would definitely say go for it. They have other models in the series, including a cordless model, a model with smaller tanks, and I believe a model that also has a scrubbing mode, which disables the drying while you're scrubbing. So if you want to just put a lot of solution down on the floor, scrub it, give it some time to soak in, and then go back and dry, there's a model that lets you do that. This one does not allow you to disable the suction. However, I've gotten fantastic results with it so far. Highly recommended. I'd give this a 9 out of 10. This has been Logan here for Vacuum.com. Thanks for watching.